Starting with the booker shad today. It's probably a good one to start off on the surface for the togas at the moment. We'll see how they're going. First time on the new yak on the dam, which is cool. Not going to overcomplicate things too much today, just out there trying to test out the motor setup. Got a little bit of leakage, so I'm going to have to rectify that at some point. Whether we stop up and have a little break and try and figure something out maybe. Just because I can only really do the first setting at the moment. Yeah, it's so beautiful at the moment. Oh, I think it's a good day to be out here. It's not too glassy, but you know, it's also kind of, you know, alright conditions. I'm schooling up a bunch of bass here, so I'm seeing shit come up on the surface. I should probably chuck it back out. Oh, bugger. A little bit chilly this morning. Not too bad, but we'll bear it out. Already had a few casts. It's pretty slow this morning, but you know, that's probably how it's going to be in winter. Water is absolutely freezing. Holy shit, didn't even touch it till just then. Yeah, probably just make our way up to the sticks and see how we go, and then yeah, we'll go from there. The sound is pretty dead through here. This is like this is like my old stomping ground. Which not a bad sign, but it is pretty dead through here. Oh, that is so cool. Oh. Holy shit. He smashed that. Oh, why did I ever leave this place? Oh. Come here, buddy. Barely hooked him. Come here, bud. Nice. Heck yeah. Oh, active targeting. Oh, surely I got that on film. And he came off just then. Finally. Been a while. He's a chunky one. They always are in here, no matter how big they are. How good is that? We hit a log. Got a nice toga to start the day. Well, you can call me a happy camper for the rest of the day. I got my toga. Missed it. Got a little bass. Man, I'd be lost without the Garmin. It's not active targeting, but I can still be lost without it. Don't get stuck again, you silly bastard. God. Oh, bass. Oh. It's a bit of a slow session so far, but I'm glad to get out here. I have to take some gear off in a second, it's getting a bit warm. So yeah, it's been pretty good little tester for the engine. Everything seems to be working good. Still casting along these edges for toads. I finally made it to another spot where I've seen them before, but it's just all dirty as at the moment up this side of the dam. Super dirty. Oh, I've seen a lot of explosions though through there. Another tiny little one. Oh. Oh my god, this thing must be tiny. If I still have it. Can't tell. Oh yeah, I still have it. Yeah. Cute.